Hi friends, it's Mila and we would like to show you how to do the number raindrop project. Now you're going to need to cut out all those raindrops. That's a lot of cutting. I'm going to show you a little trick. You can cut these into strips like this. So now I just need to cut right in between my numbers. Okay? Do you think you can handle that?
Yeah.
Now Mila is cutting out her numbers. She's cutting right on these black lines, but if it helps, you can have a parent or a caregiver draw lines in between the numbers. Cut right on those lines to cut out your raindrops. You don't need to cut on the black lines, but if you want to try to cut on the black lines, you can do that too. You get to pick what you want to do. And we have all of our numbers cut out. Now it's our job to put them in order from 1 to 10. So on your blue piece of paper, you want to start at the top corner with number 1. Right? See if you can find number 1, Mila.
I can easily do that.
All right. Then you're going to rub glue on it. And you're going to stick it in the top corner. Then I want to go across my paper and do 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are going to go across the top part of our paper. Okay? Okay, so we got 1 through 5 glued on. So you can see mine.
And mine.
And there's Mila's. Now, look, I kind of had to squeeze them on, and that's okay. Make sure you glue them right next to each other. Now, next, I need to find 6. Can you find your 6, Mila?
Like this?
Yep. And 6 is going to go right under 1. So I'm going to do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, they're going to go across the bottom. So we'll work on that, and then we'll show you how that looks. Now, if it helps, if the numbers are kind of tricky, you could have a mom or dad or caregiver write the numbers down on your blue piece of paper for you. So I'm going to write the numbers down. And look, you could match them and glue them on that way. So that's just another way to do it. You can either figure it out on your own if you know the order of the numbers, or you could match the numbers. Okay, and Mila's got hers done. So I'll show you, here's mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here's Mila's.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All in order. Now, the last thing you could do is, if you want, you could color, or, Mila,
I'm going to color.
you could watercolor your numbers. If you have watercolor paint at home, you could watercolor them. So you could color or watercolor. What would you like to do? Oh, she wants to do watercolor. So we got to get our watercolor paints out. If you have watercolor at home, you could do that. Or you could color with colored pencils. Mila found a colored pencil, or crayons or markers. Or you could just leave it like that if you feel like you're done. That's all right. We'll show you what it looks like when she's all done. Hope you have fun putting the numbers in order.